Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, we will begin with the customization of this feature, and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the display. Here we have to tap on the reading mode, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it, and in order to see actual changes we have to turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. And as you can see, we've got two different modes. We've got the classic one, which will simply change the colors, will just apply this yellowish shield, but we've got also the paper one, and here we will also have the texture of the paper on the background. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I'll show you after tapping. I hope that you can see the change after picking the paper option. Of course, you can customize both of those modes. Let me enter the classic for first. Let's tap on this arrow on the right, and as you can see here, we can change the color temperature, so we can make it much cooler by going to the left, and much warmer, so it is right now actually visible. I would just wanted to say that it's almost orangish, but it is not. It's quite sheer. So let's get back and let's check the paper one. Let's tap on this arrow again, and as you can see here, we've got two additional settings. So we've got the color temperature as it was in the classic mode, so let me pick this one, and we've got also the one which is connected to the texture, and by going to the left you can make it let's say invisible, and by going to the right you can make it sharper. I'm not really sure if you can see any difference, but trust me, there is. And under it we've got the colors, and right now we've got full colors. After tapping on light colors, all of the colors will be a little bit washed out, and it will also help you to reduce the eye pain, and it will be easier for you to look at the screen. Or we can set black and white, so obviously everything will be displayed in only black, white and gray colors. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with the full colors. And if you're not happy with your customization, and if you'd like to get back to the default settings, just tap on Restore Defaults, and everything will get back to its normal state. So actually, this is the whole customization of the modes. Under it, we've got also schedule feature, and it is quite cool because after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, you can either pick good night's read, and it means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and depending on that it will turn on or off the reading mode. Or you can custom the period, so simply you can pick the turn on and off time manually. So let me pick for example, I don't know, maybe okay, it can be 8 p.m. Just tap on OK in order to confirm, and as you can see, it will be immediately changed. We can pick also the turn off time. So for example, maybe something like that. Tap on OK, and it will be also immediately applied. As you can see, the device did not turn the screen to the yellowish tones. Of course, it is because we are not between the turn on and off time. But let me turn off this option. Let me manually turn on the reading mode. And actually, this is the whole customization of this mode in this device. And right now, if you'd like to have much faster access to this feature, you have to unroll the top bar and find this icon which is responsible for turning on or off the reading mode. So right now it is obviously on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen gets back to its normal state, to this cool colors. Of course, you can turn on it the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the reading mode or eye comfort mode in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.